there, smart cookies. Today, let's affirm letter P. I am positive, like a perfect batch of cookies. Remember to affirm, smart cookies. Say it loud and proud. I am positive. I am positive. I am positive. You are positive. Listen to these additional affirming words: patient, peaceful, persistent, powerful, playful. Have a phenomenal day, smart cookies. Toodles!
Step inside, come along, we're here to play.